Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial for those who don't know how to fix the GeForce Game Ready drivers, and this is actually my first tutorial video that I've done in a little while since the Hunt event on Roblox, so I'm very excited and let's get right into it. So the biggest problem that I'm noticing that hasn't been fixed by NVIDIA is the game ready drivers not being able to install sometimes for certain individuals. So if you press the install or express installation on the top and that doesn't work, or it gets you stuck on a page or gives you an error, there are a couple ways that you can fix this without using GeForce Experience on the app. The first thing that you can do is look up official drivers by NVIDIA, and you can select your NVIDIA driver download using all of these options. So if you're on Windows 11, you could select that you're on Windows 11 like I am, and if you have a laptop, then you can put your laptop GPU and whatever your series might be that you want. So for me, I have a 30 series and I have a 3080. And I'm on Windows 11, and the game ready driver is always what you're going to want to select, and then you search, and then it should come up with this is the most recent update, which you can see right here. This is what I have, so that's probably the best thing that you can do. The second thing that you can do is uninstall GeForce Experience. So if you go into control panel and uninstall a program and you write GeForce, it should be this right over here, and if you right click, uninstall and change, let administrator uninstall it, and go through that small process. It takes about 3 minutes at most. That's how you want to install. You come here, you press download now, and it'll give you a file. It's gonna look somewhat like this, and re-downloading this automatically updates that driver for you. So there's absolutely no process that you have to do other than relinking your account if it's not already linked. So that's pretty much the entire gist of what you need to do in order to get that official done game ready driver. And yeah, that's about it, guys. And if there's anything else I can assist you with, please let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there was something I did that did not work for you and you found a certain way to re-download all of those drivers without using any of the guides I taught you, please DM me personally, and I would love to hear from you how you did that, so I can make a tutorial on that and give you credit on my video as well, in the comments, description, all of that. So that would be very helpful to me, and I believe that would help our community build as well. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the video if you did find this helpful, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.